This is the gross appearance of a neurofibroma. Neurofibromas are benign peripheral nerve tumours, and the age of presentation is from childhood into the 20s and 30s. They develop in the skin, under the skin, or deep in the body, and they may coexist or even present with café au lait spots that are pigmented skin lesions. Neurofibromas are a feature of neurofibromatosis type 1, but they may also arise as sporadic lesions. And there is a type of neurofibroma called plexiform neurofibroma that may arise in neurofibromatosis type 1. Neurofibromas are most frequently seen in the dermis and subcutaneous tissue. They are well demarcated lesions but not encapsulated. And the more superficial ones are soft pedunculated nodules, and deeper neurofibromas tend to be larger than the more superficial ones. Plexiform neurofibromas are characterized by diffusely enlarged tortuous peripheral nerves. And here is a plexiform neurofibroma. The pale, tortuous, cord-like structures are the thickened peripheral nerves. Histologically, neurofibromas are composed of Schwann cells and fibroblasts, and they have characteristic wavy elongated nuclei, and the cells show strong positive staining with S100. In addition, a useful diagnostic feature in neurofibromas is the presence of mast cells in the stroma. This is the low power view of a neurofibroma deep in the dermis, and you can see how well demarcated the neurofibroma is. And here are some higher power views of the neurofibroma. And here I am zooming in to a mast cell that is a cell with a small nucleus and fairly abundant deep pink staining cytoplasm. In the centre of the screen, about a quarter of the way up. And here you can see the thin, rather wavy, elongated nuclei of this neurofibroma.